Smart Kids, Earth and Life Scientists. Hello, learning buddies. Are you ready for another adventure? Our smart kids are exploring the wonders of Earth and life, following in the footsteps of history's greatest scientists. Here, take a look. Wow, have you ever wondered how a tiny seed could grow into such a big plant? Well, a long time ago, a man named Gregor Mendel started to investigate. He grew pea plants with different traits, like color, shape, and size. He carefully watched and recorded the traits of the plants and their offspring. And after many years of patiently studying and experimenting, he figured out how traits are passed from one generation to the next. That's why we call him the man who came before genes. And you can follow in his footsteps by becoming a scientist too. Look at this chimpanzee. Isn't it amazing how smart animals are? Chimpanzees are so smart that they even use tools. They'll strip leaves from twigs to use them as brushes to clean their fur. How cool is that? But for a long time, people didn't know much about how smart chimps really are. That was until a lady named Jane Goodall started to study them in the wild. She spent years observing and interacting with chimps in their natural habitat. And she taught us that animals are way smarter than we thought. Look at this map. What do you see? Do you see North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia? Do you also see Antarctica? It's a bit tricky because all these continents fit together like puzzle pieces. But they don't always fit together perfectly. Why is that? A long time ago, a man named Alfred Wegener started to investigate. He studied rocks and fossils and noticed that the continents looked like they used to fit together. He also noticed that the fossils of the same species were found on different continents. So, he started to think that maybe the continents were once joined together. And then, he made a major breakthrough. He found that the continents move very slowly over time, like just a few centimeters each year. That's why we call him the man who moved the continents. From the smallest seed to the biggest animal, the wonders of our planet are waiting for you to discover. You have a scientist inside you. So get out there and explore.